All right, this is it. This is the All Seasons Solar Cooker. This is a hardware pack and a rack, like a baker's rack, to get your pot up off the bottom of the oven where the sun can get to it. These are oven bags, and when I get to actually cooking, I'll show you what the oven bags are for. I'm gonna set these over here for now. Set that on it. And all you gotta do is watch his video, and I will leave a link to his video. And you see where these little perforated areas are? What he tells you to do is put your hand on the inside and bend these. See, they want to naturally stay flat, and what you're trying to do is get them, you want to bend them in, back and forth, in and out, and you want to try to get them to give up their natural desire to stay flat. And I would imagine that as this stays in the sun more, it will relax. Okay, I don't need two hands. This is kind of big. All right. Of course, you got the instructions here, so let me lay out. I'm going to lay out all my hardware over here and use this little table to assemble it. He assembled his on his table saw. So I think it'll work here. And I'm gonna do this without a tripod, so I'll do a little at a time and show you what I've done. All right, I've got the these folded and relaxed. You would not believe, I can already feel the heat coming off of this. I mean, this is morning sun, and that's a whole lot of warmth coming off there, and I've not even got it assembled yet. So let me, I've done these. I'm gonna read the instructions. There's a perforation here, and I wanna see if I'm supposed to bend these also. So let me go look at the instructions. Okay, I watched his video, and you do fold these here and here. So, and be real vigorous about folding these in and out like this, back and forth, back and forth. You're trying to get it to forget its natural desire to be flat. So there we go. I got them all bent the way they're supposed to. Now I'm going to look at the instructions. So we have an A, B, and C panel. Let me make sure I've got this set in the right way. I think actually this is backwards or upside down. There we go. A, B, and C. Step 2. Okay, you can read this. I'm gonna shut this off and get some done, and then we'll have a look at it as I make a little progress. Okay, now here's something he emphasizes, and I'm going to make sure that I show you also the importance of this. This tab here has to go on the inside. Let me see if I can do this without, yeah, I'm gonna need two hands. 1 second. Just like that. That on the inside and this on the outside. Now this one folds up, that one stays on the outside. Now, let me get this assembled. Just one more thumb screw, that's it. All right, and you just follow the instructions word for word, and you end up with your classic stop sign shape, and that is a result of you bending these, and that one on the inside. So, of course, the sun has gone in. We're expecting some, move over, baby, move over, sweetie. I gotta sit there. I'm an old guy. You're a young kid. Okay, that's the assembly. I can't wait to try it. I think Thursday will be our first sunny day, and I think I'll put some chicken in there. And so it begins. Oh, I forgot something. There's something called, he calls it the, I believe he calls it the solar sight. And it would go on this way. You gotta really mash it down hard. You don't want it to be square and level across the top. You don't want it to be off-centered. So I will do that. And when I cook in this, I'll show you how to aim it. It's self-explanatory, and it's so simple that it's ingenious, you know. It's basically, you want to keep your shadow inside that to keep it at its peak focus. So all right, we'll see you Thursday. And thanks, Jim. I know I'm gonna have fun cooking in this, and I know a lot of my subscribers would like to get into solar cooking, and this is a real cost-effective way to see if you even like solar cooking. That's the way. That's the reason I reached out to Jim, because when I saw the price of this, and I saw all the videos online of people cooking in it, and I was thinking, you know, there's a lot of people that don't want to spend $400 on a solar oven with a glass door. And this is a way to get into solar cooking without, let's just say you spent $400 and then suddenly decided you didn't like solar cooking, so now you're stuck with a $400 solar oven, you know. But this here, I believe it's $84 shipped to your house. Oh, and in every description, in every one of my videos from now on, I will have a link right to this oven. And especially when I cook in it, I'll mention the Amazon link. Of course, you know I'm also All American Sun Oven affiliate, but and honestly, I get about $48 if you buy an All American Sun Oven. I would rather you spend $84 and I get 3 or 4% through Amazon, because if you don't like it, if you don't like solar, I don't mean if you don't like the product, if you don't like solar cooking, you know, you're not out a whole bunch of money. So, thanks for watching. Now, I'm going to go over to my garage and work on my motorcycle.